Hello friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make veg dhan shak. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 50 grams washed and soaked split pigeon peas, 25 grams washed and soaked yellow lentils, 25 grams washed and soaked red lentils, 25 grams washed and soaked split chickpeas, 100 grams pumpkin cut in squares, 5 to 6 brinjal cut in squares, 100 grams bottle gourd cut in squares, 2 potatoes cut in squares, 100 grams fenugreek leaves, 1 bowl mint leaves, 3 onions finely chopped, 3 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 7 to 8 dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 15 to 20 cloves, 15 to 20 black pepper, 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons clarified butter and 1 jug water. First in a pan, put whole red chilies, coriander seeds, whole black pepper, cinnamon sticks, cloves, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and dry roast it for 2 minutes. Now put off the gas and let it cool down. Next put in mixer jar, put roasted spices and grind it fine and prepare masala for dhan shak. Now in pressure cooker, put split pigeon peas, split chickpeas, yellow lentils, red lentils, potatoes, bottle gourd, brinjal, pumpkin, fenugreek leaves, mint leaves, bay leaves, water, turmeric powder, salt and mix and cook it until 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Now in pan put 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, onions and saute until golden brown. Now put ginger garlic paste, green chilies and saute for 2 minutes. Now put tomatoes and cook until they are soft. Now put turmeric powder, red chili powder and prepared dhan shak masala and mix well. Now put prepared boiled mixture, salt and mix well and cover it and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. Hot and healthy dhan shak is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then stay foodie and stay healthy.